Hello friends, good morning. Myself Pranjali Shah, Derivative Analyst, Anagram Capital, Ahmedabad. Derivative data suggests that bias for the market remained positive for expiry week. Markets remained range last week precisely on anticipated lines. Trading through the week was mixed and volume were lacking. On weekly basis, Nifty posted modest gain of 63 points and closed 1.06% higher at 6011.60, whereas Sensex on weekly basis moved up by 209 points and closed 1.05% higher at 20,073.66. In F&O, overall open interest over the week rose by rupees 13,957 crore to 1,65,371 crores. In quantitative terms, open interest went up by 5.83 points to 284.55 crore shares from 268.87 crore shares in the previous week. Open interest in stock future in quantitative terms went up by almost 6% to 219.12 crore shares over the week, whereas Spot Nifty during the week witnessed 1.06% rise. This is suggestive of fresh build-up of long position in stock future segment. This trend was also observed in sectors like auto, banking and finance, engineering and metal. Among the individual stocks, long build-up was witnessed in Escort, Hero Honda, HDFC, ABB, Sagoa, Sun Pharma, to name a few. Volatility index witnessed a significant drop of 12.80% to 17.65 from 20.24 in the previous week. Volatility index is a measure of market's expectation of volatility in the near term. Nifty open interest PCR witnessed a sharp jump to 1.41 from 1.26 level over the week. This rise in Nifty open interest PCR is largely due to the unwinding of calls and significant addition in puts. Open interest around 5800 and 5900 strikes over the week. Nifty December puts added 7.97% in open interest to 5.81 crore shares, whereas Nifty December calls shaded 7.5% in open interest to 3.88 crore shares. Outlook for the week. Although range, market posted modest gain last week, much on the anticipated lines. Interestingly, sentiments have turned mildly positive as we entered an expiry week. Nifty closed psychological 6,000 mark once again. Premium on Nifty futures shoot up to 26 and 53 points for current and next month respectively. Rollover were also seen picking up with market-wide rollover at 34% versus 23% last month, and Nifty rollover at 25% versus 20% last month. Institutional participation is still on the lower side. However, sharp jump in Nifty puts open interest and also in Nifty open interest PCR is suggestive of put writing at lower strikes indicate mild advances from current level. Significant jump in the rollover of auto, textile, cement and tech stock is suggestive of action getting focused on these sectors in the near term. Going by option distribution pattern, markets are likely to hold on to strong support zone between 5850 to 5900 level of Nifty in the coming week, which is also an expiry week for December contracts and also the last week of calendar year 2010. Markets by and large are likely to stay range and with positive bias between 5900 to 6200 level of Nifty. Thank you. Have a fabulous trading week ahead.